We started the pro bono program here at IBM out of a sense of professional responsibility as lawyers.
Some of the board members were lawyers in their prior life, but it wasn't their field. They were, weren't up to date in the law, and it was a real struggle. And what was very scary for me is being the face of the charity and the children. I didn't want to be up there and continue running the charity and not run it legally and properly, because if we didn't have the correct bylaws updated, we could be disbanded as a charity. And of course, that's the last thing that Pediatric Cancer Foundation ever wanted to do.
The leadership of IBM has always been committed to giving back to the community. We make a difference everywhere, and we in the law department thought that at this time it would be especially appropriate for us to give back as lawyers in a special way to these nonprofits who are really struggling right now and can use our help.
We are proud to support 5 local hospitals. We support world-renowned doctors at these hospitals, and we raise money to fund research, treatment, state-of-the-art equipment and instruments, and parent and patient care. We've been very fortunate to donate almost 90 cents of every dollar raised to our cause. When we were looking to redo the bylaws, we couldn't afford to hire an attorney, and we were introduced to the Pro Bono Partnership in White Plains, and they were wonderful. They hooked us up with a lawyer at IBM, and he spent countless hours and days and months, so that was huge for us. We didn't have to take money away from the research and the equipment. We could keep it there, and we also had our bylaws redone. I myself am a volunteer also at the Children's Hospital, and I'm fortunate to work with the patients. A few weeks ago when I was in the hallway going to the elevator, a father who I'd seen for months with his 7-year-old boy came running down the hall to the doctor that we support, and he was jumping up and down, and he said, "Guess what? The treatment's working. We have hope now. It's all going well. I appreciate all that your staff and you have done." So that, to me, just made everything I've done for the past 12 years for PCF worth it.
Here in the New York area, our lawyers have helped a wide variety of organizations. Those directly involved with human services in the healthcare area, such as the Pediatric Cancer Foundation and others. Organizations involved with delivering services to homeless people, delivering services to people who were at risk, delivering services to people who couldn't find a job because of some difficulties in their past. This wide variety of nonprofit organizations, all of whom needed some legal help.
Even though you're not on the front lines, I'm there in person, and I can honestly tell you that all the help makes a difference.
We've had dozens and dozens of our lawyers here in the New York area, in the United States, and in Europe assist literally hundreds of different nonprofit organizations, and we've donated many thousands of legal pro bono hours to assisting them in these difficult times so that they can carry out their mission knowing they've had adequate legal advice, their intellectual property is protected, they're following the law, and they can concentrate on their core mission, which is delivering human services.
After racking our brains and talking to people, we were at a standstill. So when the attorney from IBM stepped up to help us, he literally saved our charity.